Hello there and welcome to the studio. So Akai has finally answered my video and STEM is finally out officially on your standalone device. If you recollect sometimes back, I think some couple of months ago, I did a video asking can STEM actually work in standalone mode? Well, asking Akai just to be sure, because as a software developer, what it takes to make STEM works is kind of like a lot more than what this device can actually handle. But then Akai has come to say, yes, we know what it takes. If you recollect in the video, I also said if they're able to make it work, I'm going to doff it for them. For me, if eventually Akai is able to actually make it such that you can use your STEM standalone, I'm going to give it to them. That is their development team. Yeah, so that's a great work by Akai. So immediately I got the news, I went to my device, tried to switch it on, and then it was asking me to update, which I'm sure to be the first thing you do. You need to update your device to the latest firmware, which is the 2.15, right? And this is the part where I have to give it to my viewers and my subscribers, because I saw a lot of comments under that video at that time, and some of them actually made a lot of sense. One of them says something about an app that actually does AI separation on the mobile device. So if there can be an app that works on mobile device, then definitely it should work on your standalone device as well. So maybe what you just need to watch out for is the fact that the timing is different. And I'm sure by then it might not even be able to take like a minute, it might take longer. From what I've tested so far, what took me like a minute to do on the controller mode is taking me about 3 minutes to do in standalone mode. But then what is just 3 minutes, wait time compared to the enjoyment you're going to get and the fulfillment you're going to get after getting the results that you're looking for as far as STEM separation is concerned. So it's actually a good one if you ask me. And then some other people were saying something like if they can just get 10 seconds, 15 seconds, it'll be good. But guess what? Akai actually gracefully gave you the whole of your song. So the whole 3 minutes, if you put 5 minutes, you're going to get the whole 5 minutes, everything separated. It was sounding somehow for me here in standalone mode anyways. It was sounding somehow, but I still need to go do my proper check and compare the outcome I'm getting in standalone from the outcome I'll be getting in controller mode, from the outcome I'll be getting when I'm using any other STEM separation tool. A good example for me right now, my current separation tool of preference will be the Ripdoor X. It's been working perfectly, in fact, way beyond my expectations, and that's the only reason I use my laptop. But then if the standalone can give me something close to that, I doubt that. But anyway, something usable, I think I'm good to go. That'll be all for now. Don't forget to drop your thoughts in the comment section below. We'll see you in the next one.